You're not gonna this car. You're not gonna have freaking insane fast.
Dude, the ProR EFI turbo kit is, I mean, I don't know. He's telling us 380. We're giving him a lot of crap because it's a 380 horse car is what he's calling it. But you put any 380 horse car to this, you're getting destroyed.
Dude, we had some fun races today.
Yeah.
And those guys let you drive some of their cars. So you got to drive the Bikeman 4-seater ProR.
Yeah.
How was that?
Dude, that thing rips. And that one's one of the fastest cars that we're seeing out here right now. And just it being a 4-seat, it handled the whoops a little bit better. And it is just so smooth. And it's got gobs of power.
Yeah.
I was impressed. Like, that Bikeman car is a good car. So they've got a big old turbo on there. I think they were running 8 pounds if I remember right.
Yeah.
8 pounds on it, so it ran solid at 8 pounds, like really good power.
So we roll up in camp last night. There's this dude running around with a Mohawk. He's got a ProR, and he's got a turbo with a carbon fiber little cover on it.
Yeah.
I've never heard of Pro EFI before, but I feel like an idiot not knowing about Pro EFI because
he does a lot of stuff.
He's huge and he knows his stuff. So he kind of revealed his turbo kit, and it comes with exhaust, it comes with a lot of goodies. We're gonna show you what it comes with.
But I mean, he's running small boost against these guys and just destroying them.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then on top of that, I drove it and I was like, dude, I thought
you got
I was
to drive
king of the
that one
mountain.
too.
It was like, I just felt like I was king of the mountain driving Bikemans, and I felt like I was king of the mountain driving the Pro EFI car.
Yeah, but you get power, and then the suspension. Then you got to work on the suspension. So that's why.
One thing I would say I was bummed about the Pro EFI car, and it's not the power. It's the fact that it's just a 2-seat. It is so much power.
Yeah.
It is hard to put that power in that small 2-seat wheelbase and have good control. I was going up like a set of whoops. So if you know what like a dragon's back is, I hit this dragon's back, and right as I entered it, I just got on the power, so it just stayed on top and then just jumped. Like it's awesome.
Yeah.
But it's a lot to wrestle. Like I got arm pump pretty fast just trying to keep that thing steady.
Yeah.
It is so awesome fast. All right, we got Pro EFI, Mavar, and then Bikeman. So here we go. Go! Some bucket going on in that. You guys probably couldn't tell, but Pro EFI ProR Turbo crushed it. Bikeman 4-seat ProR right behind, and then stock Mavar Chad. And it is busy. All right, here we go. 2-step in it. Sean's 2C crushes it. Oh, we got a ProR and Mavar race. Chad's looking a hair faster. And then we got the EFI, Pro EFI ProR just destroyed him. Started behind and won. Oh, Bikeman. Oh, bucket. There we go. Worked him. Yeah!
This one, you see how it goes all metal?
Okay.
Same in throttle body, there's no 90-degree boot can blow up.
Okay.
Same thing right here. It just uses
So you just try to get rid of as much rubber hose in your setup as possible, right?
Yep, no rubber hose whatsoever.
And you have a completely standalone turbo setup.
Yeah, full standalone ECU here. So like here's your dash bars. So you can check RPMs, your boost set point,
Dude, that looks
fuel
good.
pressure, battery, and
That all comes
ethanol
with your kit.
content, everything that you want to.
So all of this, that
Mile per
gauge and
hour.
all that is a part of your kit?
Yeah, you can do it all. Yeah, there's like 3 different stages. So
Awesome.
everything sets down. So say like if you hold over here, you go down to calibrations and you go to boost control. So like you turn it up to 5. So there's like 20 pounds
Holy cow.
to 1. So then you're at 8 pounds. And then like the Bluetooth logger wise, so you just download the app on your phone. All your AFRs, set points, battery voltage, rev limiter, ethanol content, everything that reads on here reads right on your phone. So if you just want to do like a ramp mount or whatever, so you don't really need a gauge, you can do everything right here.
You can do it all off of your
If you want a
phone.
data log, you just hit record. It's recording everything, hit stop, automatically put whoever you want, sends the data log to that person, and you're done.
That's awesome.
We remote tune it, do whatever you want. We're Wi-Fi back in, just hotspot it to your phone and we'll retune anything.
If you don't have an Ultimate, you can put the screen up there, right?
Yeah, you put the screen anywhere you want, yeah. I normally do a 5-inch, but I was out of them at the time, so I put a 7-inch in it.
Oh, okay.
We got 4-inch, 5-inch, 7-inch, and 12-inch.
Nice.
And then they're all canned, so it's just, this is the only wire that goes to the dash. And then if you were to, like, you could put 6 dashes in here. You could do like 6 little 5-inches. You know, like if you go to like the sports bar and they got like 20 TVs all hooked together, you can do that with these and make one big ass screen or like 10 different little screens. And you just jump it with one little cable.
On the charge tubes and stuff.
So you got your,
So you can see very small charge tube, just 2 little couplers.
nice.
External gate, all stainless, double muffler in and out to try and get the sound down so it's not super loud.
It comes with the muffler.
It comes with the full exhaust muffler, everything. You cut no bed, you cut absolutely nothing for this kit to work. Everything.
That is nice.
Bed all fits in, everything goes in. Catch can recirculates, puts the extra back in here, full catch can setup.
Nice. So Pro EFI, if you'd like to get yourself a sweet turbo setup, and I mean you're saying 380, and we're looking at it with our eyes, and we're like, dude, that's a fast 380 car.
It's a fast.
That's
the
a
fastest 380 car I've
that's the
ever seen.
fastest 380 car
Also,
I've
we
ever
run-
seen.
Our kit will come with the oil pressure and fuel pressure, so you can kind of keep an eye on all of it. Comes with a different map sensor.
Nice. Awesome. I'm excited to see this thing go against Mr. Aftermarket Assassin's Keith over there.
Yep.
He's like saying what, 1,000 horse or something at this point?
Yeah.
After some good side-by-side racing, Sean brought out his sand car, his racer engineering sand car, and that thing was running 1,400 horsepower minimum, up to 22, depending upon what he wanted to do. And we went out and raced and watched him beat some other sand cars. Ooh, I think Sean's gonna try to start a race. Sean's trying to race with this dude. I don't think he wants to. Oh, here they go, here they go. Sean worked him. Yeah, this thing's fast. He just beat a 400, brand new 450 car. Helps when you're the tuner though. like to save yourself a couple bucks and need some suspension on your side-by-side, save yourself 10% on your MTS suspension. So go to our Shopify down in the description below. You also can get some merch if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for tuning in and thanks for watching.